Good morning, beautiful. How are you? That was the best 25 hours of my life. Oof. Hi all, and welcome to my latest video. I know you've seen the title and the thumbnail, and I bet you're thinking, this is a little bit different for you Flux. Well, it is. A little while ago you guys saw that I entered the ASUS ROG Pantheon Challenge. Well, I got accepted. So for the next stage, we were giving a couple of little tasks. Well, I was asked to review the ASUS ROG Delta S wireless headset. It's an absolute finger beauty. Hello, how you doing? You want to? Sorry. So yeah, we'll be doing the unboxing of that now, and I'll show you what's inside there, and we're going to talk about the specs as well. So I've just spent the last hour or so using the headset. I've been using them on my mobile phone, going around the house while I've been washed up and cleaning, just listening, seeing how good the audio is while I go about my day-to-day life. And then I went and got some clips on Warzone, and honestly the sound is impeccable. How good the audio cues are on this headset, it is going to get me shadow banned, because I'm hearing people when I shouldn't. It makes them sound like they're actually stepping in right in my face, right there, when really they're like 10, 15, 20 meters away, and we all know Warzone's audio is questionable. So yeah, watch this. Now, as you saw there, the audio was amazing, but you heard the footsteps, you heard in detail where they were, what they were doing. When that person walked in me.
What did he say?
When that person walked behind me in the house, he didn't hear me, he didn't see me, but I heard him. That's why I turned around and went and wiped the team. And that guy in the bottom prisons, I could hear him tip-tapping. That's why I went over there. The guy outside behind the wall, before he jumped for the window in the first clip, I could hear everything. The headset is amazing. I don't normally listen to when people say, oh, this headset can do this, it can do this, this has this ability. I always thought most of these sort of things were fluff. The Delta S has these exclusive 50mm drivers, which they have this ability to airtight the sound, so you only hear what you're only trying to hear, and you can see it actually work. Like my gameplay, I actually feel a lot better already. Obviously my shots are terrible and my throwing knives are, well, iffy. But I think my favourite feature is the fact that I could do anything with his headset on, and with the special AI beam forming, it allows me to not have to listen to anything I don't want to. It just reduced it to over 500 million different types of background noises. I didn't know there was that many. Like, it's insane. Again, another thing that really tickled my fancy was how good the Bluetooth was. I have a pair of normal Bluetooth headphones that I use my out and about days. Honestly, they're fine. I have a bit of an issue sometimes, like they disconnect here and there, and sometimes it can lag a little bit with Spotify. But I had these headsets on with Spotify. I had this headset off while I was gaming, and you know what? Didn't have a single issue. It went really well. You know, the whole gimmicks of, you know, stuff has fast charging. Like my phone's supposed to have fast charging. It doesn't work. My wife's fast charging does, and this wireless headset is chef's kiss. I cannot believe how well it charged. I left it on charge for a couple of hours, went about my day-to-day basis, come back, and then got the content I wanted for this video, and I couldn't have been any more better. Honestly, I won't just be using this for gaming. I'll probably be using this headset out and about, because also it don't really weigh anything. It's quite light on my head, and I've got a big head, and yeah, I just love it. It's really light, man. Like, I mean, I can go about my day-to-day basis, not worry about it. If I just literally to my neck, back up again, it weighs absolutely nothing. for my first gaming wireless headset, I'd give this probably a 10 out of 10. I don't actually see an issue with it. And this is a little bit of a cheeky side note, but if you want some more reviews, if you think my review was well put together, let me know in the comments and we might review some more stuff as well, because honestly I've actually had a blast doing this. This isn't my regular content, but it's been fun to make. It's been fun to change my content around to fit what I have to do. So yeah, there you have it. Hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget as well, a bit of a shameless plug-in I know, but you go to the link that'll be in the description below and you can vote for me. We've already had quite a few votes. The more you vote for me and the more you watch my video, the better it will be for me. Oh, honestly, I'm not gonna lie, when I entered the Pantheon, I didn't expect to get this far. And you know what? We're to this stage already. I've been given the chance to review this amazing headset. So I want to obviously see how far we can take this. So with all your votes and all your views, you're helping me. It's, again, I know it's a shameless plug-in, but it does help massively. So like I said, don't forget to go to the ROG Pantheon link below, and then click that. If you chuck an email on there, your mom, your auntie, your cat, your Kit Kat, your dog, your sea lion, whatever you got, as long as they've got an email, they can vote for me. Also, at the release of this video, ASUS have beautifully allowed me to give away some awesome stuff. I'll be making a separate video on that as well. Yeah, I'll show you how you can enter that competition as well. It's really, really simple. I can't wait for you all to enter, and I hope you win. Thank you very much for watching the video. See you in the next one.